హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ మన వైజాగ్. ఈరోజు వాట్సాప్ స్క్రోల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే నాకు ఒక మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది. అందులో టైమ్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అని ఉంది. టైమ్ బ్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అంటే అదేదో నేషనలైజ్డ్ బ్యాంక్ ఏమో, అందులో డబ్బులు డిపాజిట్ చేయొచ్చేమో అని అనుకున్నాను. లేటర్ ఆన్ ఇంకొంచెం లోపలికి వెళ్ళి చూస్తే వి డిపాజిట్ యువర్ టైమ్ నాట్ యువర్ మనీ అని. అసలు ఇది ఏంటి అని చెప్పి ఎంక్వైరీ చేస్తే తెలిసింది ఏంటంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఎన్జిఓ. వీ హ్యావ్ టుడే ద ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టైమ్ బ్యాంక్, ప్రబోధ్ జైన్. హీస్ ఫ్రమ్ Jaipur, Rajasthan, Jaipur.
Yeah.
Sir, welcome to Vizag.
Thank
Sir,
you.
before we talk about your time bank and all this, can you let us know about yourself, something about yourself?
Myself, Prabodh Chand Jain. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I was serving in Punjab National Bank since joining and superannuated as Assistant General Manager in 2016. Thereafter, I joined an NGO promoting the cause of cadaver organ donation.
Oh, nice.
Then thereafter, this idea came, Time Bank of India in 2018, and we have started it.
Sir, we know Punjab National Bank, Andhra Bank, State Bank, Axis Bank, and we even know this iBank,
Yes.
Blood Bank. What is this time bank?
Just like in iBank, cornea is deposited. In blood bank, blood is deposited.
Yes.
That is the reason. This time bank, the word time depicts the deposit of time. So in time bank, we deposit the time, not the money.
Okay.
So that is what it is called, the time bank.
So how can we deposit our time? And will you give our time back?
Why not? Why not? The
How?
time.
How?
Yes, it is very surprising
Yes.
how the time can be deposited, because
Exactly.
time runs very fast and it is equal to everybody. If we can utilize this time in serving somebody,
Okay.
it means we are spending time with him or her, serving him. So the time is spent in serving is actually we have invested the time. So it
Okay.
is deposited in the time bank, and when the time comes, we need time. So somebody else will come to rescue us, to help us. So we will get back our time. So this
Okay.
is how we deposit the money in the bank and get back in time of need. So we deposit time to get back in time of need.
It's like, see, friend in need is a friend indeed. It's
Yeah.
like time in need is a time indeed.
Time
Is it
indeed.
something like that?
Yes, it's something like that.
Okay, okay. Madam, how this time bank, how it is operated?
We tried to make it very nominal. Or you can say we tried to run it on a very reasonable zero cost.
Okay.
Okay, so we have limited the members and the admin.
Mm-hmm.
We have divided time bank with pin code areas.
Okay, okay.
And
Uh-huh.
then in that pin code we have admins. And the group, if group exceed like 30 to 40, we have more admins to handle people. And the help, rescue or any request is addressed in that radius of 2
Okay.
kilometers.
Okay.
And this way a person who is residing nearby reaches to the help seeker.
Mm-hmm.
And thus we manage this.
How can people help each other? Is it through WhatsApp group or an internet or a website?
Yes.
How can people know that they are in need of help?
So we have managed it with WhatsApp group and website.
Okay.
So in WhatsApp group there is an admin and members connected to that particular pin code.
Okay.
So members reach out there. Any help seeker who needs help drops a message through
Okay.
WhatsApp or call or website and request for a help, a time required. And their admin responds them back through WhatsApp group, giving them allotted time to other members also that this X request is being raised, and from this to this time people need to serve.
Okay.
People approach their help giver and help seeker, both are on that same WhatsApp group, and this the way we help them.
What type of help people require and what
I
type of help people can serve?
I would bounce the ball to Mr. PC Jain this time.
The problem with the elders, if I'm talking about the elders, it means the persons above the age of 80, 75, 60, any person who is now incapacitated due to health reasons or due
Okay,
to age-related reasons is not able to move out. He is confined to his room only. So there is nobody to talk to him, to take care of him. He is under depression. Loneliness is just like a curse for these people.
Exactly.
So Time Bank comes in rescue. The people living nearby can come to him, talk to him, take care of him. So he will feel pleasure, he will be happy. Number two, whenever there is a need to go out, maybe for some repair of his specs or some teething trouble or some physiotherapy or
Any medical
just
assistant.
anybody can assist them. So assistance is the second thing which is being dealt in the time bank. And third, during hospitalization, it is very difficult to have
Yes.
a person to take care during the hospitalization.
Attendant.
So as a attendant, they have to provide the services. So this is how
Okay.
three kind of services we are covering. There is no paid services available in this platform.
Okay.
So somebody says that you come daily to cook my food. So this services is not because it is available on market on payment basis.
Only just spending time with elders, doing small help for them and all, whenever required.
Whenever required.
So, how to join this time bank?
Yeah. If we are running on very cost-effective model. There is minimal cost, means there is no administrative cost.
Okay.
So everything is driven on website and WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Website is for capturing all the details, and WhatsApp group is for just communication purpose.
Okay.
So anybody from anywhere in the world can become a member by registering himself on our website. That is www.timebankofindia.com.
Okay.
It is a simple process. Fill up your details, upload your photo, do your KYC, upload your document, and become a member.
That's it.
That's it. But the question comes, if there is a fake document uploaded, what can happen? Some more photo is uploaded. So how we can judge that he is a right person? So as Ms. Pooja told that we have admin concept and small area are the units. The admin is also residing in the same area. So
Okay,
he is
fine,
very
fine.
well versed with the local people and the person.
Yeah.
Even if he is not aware of the person, he will go to his home, check the
Check the
veracity,
details.
and
Okay.
then he will approve. So there is a system in our website that anybody who is registering is inactive in the status. He is
Okay,
not
okay.
able to participate in service giving or service seeking. Only approved member can do it. So the admin role is there. He approves after checking the authenticity of the member.
Okay, fine.
Then he approves.
Please.
So anybody who is registering on the website, his and her data is very well secure on the website.
Okay.
It
that
is
should be there.
HTTPS secure website. Nobody can see the data of any member. Even members cannot see the data of other members.
Okay, fine.
Even non-member cannot see the data of any member. Only admin has the right to see the data of members within his prerogative, within his command area only. That is there.
In how many states in India this time bank is there?
In almost all the states, our presence, except some northeastern part and some Jammu and Kashmir part. Though there is
Pan-India.
very,
Pan-India,
very-
yeah.
It's pan-India.
There are
anyone
limited
can.
members, but we have very good presence in major cities. We established units that is called the chapters.
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 Okay.
So basic units are called the postal pin code unit, area unit, and the city are called the chapters. Visakhapatnam chapter, Chandigarh chapter, Ahmedabad chapter.
Okay, okay.
Likewise, in many cities we are having our presence.
What is the status of Vizag chapter? How it is?
Vizag chapter is, since beginning started members are registering. So at present around 50 members are there from
Oh,
Vizag.
wonderful. Half century completed in Vizag.
Half century completed. But it is very small number looking to the geographical area and the population.
Yeah, you
of-
started in Vizag recently, I think.
recently, yes.
Yeah. Yesterday I saw so many people attended your meeting.
Yeah.
And how did Rotary come into the picture?
Basically, I am a Rotarian. So when I floated this idea just after the start of this concept in 2019 to my district governor that I have just started this concept. So he is very much thrilled with the idea. Well,
Yes.
This is a fantastic idea. Why not you make the Rotary as an awareness partner so that you have the reach to spread awareness among the
Yeah.
Rotarians and the other
And
platforms.
across the world we can spread it very easily.
So that is how the Rotary become the awareness partner of Time Bank of India.
In Vizag, the Rotaract movement is also very strong.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, being a past DRR, I can also involve all the Rotaractors in Visakhapatnam to help this bank. And we can actually do a nice collaboration with the Rotaractors and we can do it in a big scale. I would
Definitely,
immediately sell the link to all the Rotary actors so that they will first join, do all this KYC process and all, and then we can start working.
Yes, yes. There are universities who are approved our Time Bank of India concept,
Wonderful.
and they are sending their students for internship with us.
Oh, nice.
So, university, yeah, they are having
Youth
students
can come
from all
up
over.
with internship ideas to
Okay,
us,
okay.
and they can get internship, and this is the way we can sow the seed
Oh,
to
wonderful.
improve the social texture.
Nice, nice, very nice.
The government of Rajasthan, from where we have started this, has approved us in their one social security subject that is called the Anandam subject,
Oh,
where youth
okay.
has to do compulsorily some community services for a
Yes,
certain
yes.
number of hours.
Okay.
So they have identified Time Bank of India as a partner to that.
Mhm.
This is the only NGO which has been recommended by the government of Rajasthan Higher Education Department to all the universities and colleges.
Okay.
Rest of the things can do at the college level, whatever they want to do, tree plantation, blood donation,
Okay.
any community service. But this NGO has been recommended especially in writing.
You told about the Rajasthan government made compulsory to the students. What about AP government? How AP government is supporting? Because I saw that AP government is also supporting this project in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
I have never met the CM of the Andhra Pradesh. Even I have do not know much about him. But some newspaper we are reading, he came up with some idea to take care of the elderly population with such an social security like Time Bank, something like that. So he instructed the secretaries and other officials to find out how we can do it. So they have started searching, and this is the only Time Bank of India, as I told you. This
Yes.
is the first and only Time Bank of India. So they found ourselves. They have gone through entire website, go in the detailing of it. Then they have called us. They raised so many questions: how we are doing, what we are doing. Then they have some Zoom meeting with us. Their government officials, IAS officers were there, and our team were there. And on Zoom call, we had the detailed discussion. Then we satisfactorily replied all the queries of the authorities. Then they have put up a process note to the CM, and
Okay.
CM has approved this. That is how we have been identified.
Okay.
Let me tell you why we have been strongly recommend our NGO. There are three aspects. Number one, we are not asking any funding from government because we are running on administrative cost almost
Okay, zero.
So we do not need fund, and we are not asking funding from the any government.
Okay.
So we have not asked the funding from the government. This is number one. Number two, this is some kind of philanthropic kind of thing, and small units will be created where people can take care of each other.
Yes.
We are not
Yes.
serving non-member.
Yes.
Everybody should be a member. So small units are created. This is number two. They have liked it very much. So if money is involved, then there is something happening.
so many
every time.
complications will come.
yes.
Complications
So
are right
the
there.
third thing, we are now having membership fee. There is no fee. It is zero fee to join the Time Bank of India.
Okay.
There is no money transaction in between the member.
Okay.
Nobody is asking any money for providing the services, or the service seeker need to pay anything.
Okay.
The expenditure is to be borne by the help seeker only.
Okay. Fine.
Fine.
Yes.
But we need to make the expenditure up to reaching his home only.
Yes.
Whether we are going by foot or by bike or by,
By road,
car.
yeah, car or whatever.
Normally it is a small units, so they can go walking also.
Yeah,
So
pin
much-
code and 2 kilometers radius can, yeah, that is very
So
nice.
expenditure is not involved.
Yes.
But after from there, if they need to go to hospital and they are hiring a taxi,
Oh, okay.
so taxi charges has to be paid by the health seeker, not by the health provider.
Okay.
So this is the third thing which has been
Wonderful.
attracted by the government of
Government,
AP,
yes.
and they have approved it. And Visakhapatnam has been chosen as a pilot project to start with.
వండర్ఫుల్ సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ విన్నారు కదా టైం బ్యాంక్ అంటే ఏంటో. ఎవరికైనా సర్వీస్ ఇద్దాం అనుకున్నా, ఎవరైనా సర్వీస్ తీసుకుందాం అనుకున్నా టైం బ్యాంక్ అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి. ఈ టైం బ్యాంక్లో ఎలా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలో ఆ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో పెడతాను, కింద ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ లింక్ని క్లిక్ చేసి మీరు కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు టైం బ్యాంక్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ముఖ్యంగా ఇలాంటి రోజుల్లో చాలామంది పేరెంట్స్ ఒంటరిగా ఉంటున్నారు, వాళ్ళ పిల్లలు ఎక్కడ అబ్రాడ్లో సెటిల్ అవుతున్నారు. అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి చాలా లోన్లీనెస్ ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు. ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఖచ్చితంగా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది ఈ టైం బ్యాంక్. సో ఇలాంటి ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం, వైజాగ్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం, వైజాగ్ ట్రెండింగ్ టాపిక్స్ కోసం మన వైజాగ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్లో కూడా ఉన్నాం, అక్కడ కూడా కలుద్దాం వచ్చేయండి. జై హింద్.
Jai Hind.